We're looking at surface area and volume today. And so we need those two formulas. The surface area for a sphere is 4 pi r squared, and our volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. And so everything that we do, we're just going to do two examples, is going to be using those two formulas today. So if we had a sphere, or a sphere-like shape, let's start with a circle, and then you kind of make an oval inside of it. And let's say this had a diameter of 7 inches. Okay. Our area would be 4 times r squared, which is the radius. It's not 7, right? It is 3.5 squared pi. 3.5 squared is 12.25 times 4. So we would have 49 pi, which is about 153.9. And that is inches squared. What is our volume? Well, that's 4/3 pi r cubed. So 4/3 3.5 cubed times pi. And I get 179.6, or about 79.6. That'd be in inches cubed since it's volume. Right. What if we had just half of a sphere? It had a radius of 3. So does this figure have half the area of a sphere the same size? And the answer is no, right? It does not have half. It actually has more than half, because it has half the area just on the rounded part, right? But then it also has a base, which is the size of a circle. So our area here is actually going to be half 4 pi r squared, right? Half the total area if this was a sphere, plus pi r squared, right? The area of the base. In other words, 2 pi r squared plus pi r squared. Well, that's just 3 pi r squared, right? And we have 3 squared, which is 9 times 3, so this is 27 pi. 27 pi is 84, well, about 84.8. The volume, 84.8, is in feet, so feet squared. The volume is exactly half, right? The amount of space this is taking up is half the space of the other one, right? It just has more surface to cover. So this is half of 4/3, that's 2/3 pi r cubed. We have 27, so 54 over 3 pi. 54 over 3 is just 18. And 18 pi is 56.5 feet cubed.